Hi everyone! So autumn is kicking in. I better harvest what's left behind in my garden. Come and join me. The garden is coming to an end. I am proud to say that my small garden has provided us food for the whole summer. It keeps us healthy and away from any toxic chemicals. Here's the spring onions. Now it is time to pull it. Look how beautiful it is. This greens is so giving. We've been enjoying it for the whole season. So this is a Swiss chard or perpetual spinach. It's almost good for anything. You can cook it for omelette, soup, anything that you can think of. And just imagine you're eating spinach if you eat this. It has an earthy taste on it, but it's really, really good. So this is Santaca's chili pepper. It is very, very hot. It's okay to harvest it while it's green because when it's inside the house, it will just ripen up. So, this is a Malabar spinach. I use it for soup as well, or omelette, or I saute it. Some people, they like to use it for their sandwiches. It's very, very good for you. Tomato is one of our favorite in the garden. It has been very successful for this season. We just harvested these pole beans about a week ago, and now, look! It is so prolific. This California Wonder Pepper has produced so much this summer. It's very, very crunchy and has a very good taste to it. I highly recommend it. Here's my Mexico chili pepper. So this is the last harvest for October since the weather is getting colder and tonight we're having a frost. So we managed to harvest almost anything that we can harvest right now. And I'm very, very pleased. I'm very, very happy with what the small backyard can provide to us. Through the whole summer, we've been harvesting, we've been eating an abundance harvest from this small backyard. So in here we have onions. Look at this. This is massive. And this is all the tomatoes. The cherry tomatoes, we use it for salad. And the beef steak tomato and the beef's tomato, we use it for almost anything. Mexico chili pepper, it's mild taste to it. This is beans, pull beans. I will be canning some of them or freeze it, and some will be giving away to friends. In here we have Swiss chard. I'm going to freeze some of them. Santaca pepper, and same with that one is a Santaca pepper. I am going to dry it and use it as a hot chili flakes. Malabar spinach, I use it for my soup. Another tomato, and this is a California Wonder Pepper. I love to use it for my omelette and soup as well, or even your salad. It's sweet. And beets. So this is all what I got, and I'm so happy with it. Thank you. Bye.